Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and what we have here is one of the old school breathing techniques where once you've had any problems with your lung, the doctor usually suggests something like this, and it kind of gets boring using an old machine like this one. What we have here is a digital machine which actually does the same thing. So we're going to quickly give you a demo of how it works, and if you can do it. So as you saw, it virtually had the balls go up, which would idly go up in a machine like this, and it actually gives you some data. So you're not just waiting for a doctor to see you perform the exercise, it actually gives you real-time data of what you are doing. It also has the ability to track deep breathing as well. And it will analyze the deep breath that you took and show you how well the deep breath was there. There's also the ability to analyze your cough. So when your doctor asks you to cough, this app will actually generate some data on that.
Just wait.
Okay. And so once you cough and once you actually stop the data, it actually gives you some information as to how your breathing is, how your health is. This is of course a concept right now. This is of course a prototype. It's being developed by the medical technology team at Samsung. And once it is in its final stages, you will actually be able to see a graph of your daily growth as to how your breathing has changed. And this is something that is really great for people that suffer from lung related disorders. It's actually a real-time way of showing you exactly how your breathing improves. So we are actually going from the old school way of breathing and pushing and pulling air to see the balls moving into a digital, slightly more entertaining and a slightly more informative way. Thank you so much guys for tuning in out here, and for more from the world of CES 2018 you can log on to digit.in.